A human right is a legal or moral entitlement to something. A human right protects our basic freedoms that the United Nations has implemented. Some rights that the United Nations have established are the basic right to life and the right to access clean food. Human rights apply to everyone, regardless of their race, sex, nationality, ethnicity, language, religion, or marital status. Human rights are included as part of national and international law that are specifically outlined in treaties and declarations that summarize rights that countries are required to follow and uphold. Countries often incorporate basic human rights into their own national, state, and local laws to ensure social cohesion.
How does the Australian Constitution protect your rights? There are 5 express rights that are protected by the Australian Constitution. Express rights are explicitly stated in the Constitution. The right to free interstate trade and commerce, Section 92, avoids the Parliament from handling interstate trade in different manners between states. It also allows freedom of movement between states without interference. An example of this is that it doesn't allow taxes to be imposed on goods going from one state or territory to another. The right to not be discriminated against by the Commonwealth on the basis of the state where you reside, Section 117, means that the Commonwealth is not allowed to discriminate against a person because of the state they live in. This means a person that lives in one state or territory cannot be subject to a law that would put them in a worse position than if they were from another state or territory. The right to receive just terms when property is acquired by the Commonwealth, Section 51 XXXI, means that the Commonwealth must pay an acceptable and fair amount of compensation for property that they must buy. A person that lives in one state or territory cannot be subject to a law that would put them in a worse position than if they were from another state or territory. The right to receive just terms when property is acquired by the Commonwealth, Section 51 XXXI, means that the Commonwealth must pay an acceptable and fair amount of compensation for property that they must buy. Religion. This right stops the Commonwealth Parliament from passing laws that enforce a state religion, establish any religious observance, and that constrains the free exercise of any religion.
The High Court was established by the Australian Constitution, and the Constitution protects the rights of Australian citizens, as it ensures that the parliamentary system is grounded upon the principles of the separation of powers, hence decreasing the misuse of their power.